What's up guys, this is Jeff and today I want to show you how you can assemble this chair. It's very easy to assemble this chair. You just need to install the 4 legs to the chair. The only tool required to assemble this chair is a 5mm Allen wrench, which is sent with the box. The size of the shipping box is a 29 inches long, 20 inches wide and 20 inches high, and the weight of the shipping box is approximately 40 pounds. Okay, let's start. Find a clean environment such as a carpet or carport. Open the box and take the pieces out of the box.
Issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
Open the zipper under the seat and take out the carton box of tools and parts. The parts and tools inside the box included 4 seat legs number 2, 3, 4 and 5, and also have 8 screws numbered A, 8 washer springs number B, and 8 washers with number C. Therefore, each leg is connected to the chair body with 2 screws A, 2 spring washers B, and 2 washers or flat washers C. One thing you should pay attention to is that if you put the chair in the position shown in the video, leg number 5 is on the top right, leg number 4 is on the top left, and the leg number 3 is on the bottom right, and leg number 2 will be located at the bottom left. Now if you turn the chair so that its round part is on the floor, the number of its installation legs will be different. So just pay attention to this situation. To install first leg, that is number 4, put the spring washer on the screw and then put the flat washer on it and install the screw in the desired place.
Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no.
I use a drill to get the job done faster, but you should still use an Allen wrench. Don't over tighten the screws until you feel them tight. It's enough.
tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never gonna stop. No, no. Oh, I ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby.
If desired, you can adjust for uneven floors by loosening or tightening the leveling feet as shown. The chair measurement approximately 27 inches wide, 20 inches deep and 32 inches high, and the seat deep is 25 inches. And the height of the seat from the floor to the seat is approximately 18.5 inches. I hope this video helped you during the assembling. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and turn on all notifications to be the first to know about the new our videos. Until next video.